Good morning. The smell of coffee is wonderful today.
Hello! It is the best scent to start day.
I really need something strong to wake me up.
Our signature double espresso will definitely do the trick.
That sounds a bit too intense for my stomach.
Would you prefer a smooth latte with creamy milk?
A latte sounds much better for a slow morning.
We have fresh oat milk or classic whole milk.
I will try the oat milk for a change.
Excellent choice. It adds a lovely nutty flavor profile.
Should I get a large or a medium size?
The medium size is perfect for a balanced taste.
Please make it a medium oat milk latte then.
Would you like any vanilla or caramel syrup inside?
No syrup today. I want to taste the beans.
I admire people who appreciate the pure coffee flavor.
The beans look very dark and oily in jars.
They are freshly roasted from a small local farm.
Supporting local businesses is very important for our city.
Our customers really value the quality of our ingredients.
The cafe feels very peaceful at this early hour.
Most people are still sleeping or heading to work.
I have a very busy schedule starting very soon.
Then let me ask the most important question today.
I think I know what you are going to.
Is this coffee for here or to go today?
I am looking at my watch and feeling confused.
A paper cup is faster if you are running.
But a ceramic cup feels so much more special.
Take a moment to decide what feels right, Sophie.
If I take it to go, I can walk.
Walking with a warm cup is a lovely experience.
However, the park is a bit chilly this morning.
We have sturdy paper cups with very tight lids.
I worry about the waste from using paper cups.
Our cups are fully compostable and eco-friendly for nature.
That is a very good step for the environment.
We also offer a discount if you bring your own.
I forgot my reusable mug on the kitchen table.
That happens to the best of us quite often.
I am tempted to stay and sit by window.
The view of the street is very relaxing today.
Watching people pass by is my favorite morning activity.
A ceramic cup keeps the temperature much more stable.
Coffee definitely tastes better when served in real porcelain.
It feels like a proper break from the busy world.
I have exactly 15 minutes before my first meeting.
That is enough time to enjoy a medium latte.
Then I choose to stay and drink it here.
I will prepare a beautiful white ceramic cup then.
I feel happy about this small, slow decision today.
Every person deserves a quiet moment before their work.
Life is too fast to always drink on run.
I agree. The best things should be enjoyed slowly.
I will go and pick that small wooden table.
I will bring the coffee to you when ready.
Thank you, Mark. You are a very thoughtful barista.
Making people smile is the best part of job.
I am ready for my morning cup of peace.
The machine is warming up for your perfect latte. I am starting to grind the fresh coffee beans.
The sound is loud but very satisfying to hear.
It means the coffee will be incredibly fresh today.
I can see the steam rising from the machine.
The temperature must be perfect for the oat milk.
Oat milk can be tricky to foam sometimes, right?
It requires a very gentle touch and steady hand.
You look like a scientist working in a laboratory.
Coffee is a mix of chemistry and creative art.
I love watching the milk turn into silky foam.
The texture should be like wet paint, very smooth.
I can smell the toasted oats from over here.
It blends perfectly with our medium roast coffee beans.
Do you ever get tired of making coffee daily?
Every cup is a new chance to reach perfection.
That is a very inspiring way to view work.
I try to put some love into every drink.
I can see that in your very careful movements.
Now comes the part where I pour the milk.
Are you going to draw something on the foam?
I will try a simple heart for your morning.
That would be a very lovely touch to see.
The white foam creates a beautiful contrast with coffee.
It looks too pretty to drink, I must say.
Don't wait too long. It is best when hot.
The heart looks perfectly symmetrical and very elegant today.
I practiced for many months to get it right.
Your hard work definitely shows in this beautiful cup.
Here is your oat milk latte in ceramic cup.
It looks absolutely delicious and very inviting to drink.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.
The first sip is always the most important one.
Tell me if the temperature is comfortable for you.
It is perfect, not too hot and very creamy.
The oat milk adds a natural sweetness to the drink.
I don't miss the sugar at all right today.
High-quality beans don't need much to taste great.
I feel my energy returning with every single sip.
Coffee has a magical way of fixing the mood.
I am so glad I chose to stay here.
The atmosphere is much better than a busy street.
I can see a bird sitting on the windowsill.
That little sparrow visits us every morning for crumbs.
It seems like everyone has a routine in here.
Community is what makes a coffee shop very special.
You know the names of many people who enter.
Recognizing a face makes the service more personal today.
I will definitely become a regular customer in here.
We would be very happy to see you again.
Next time, I will bring my own reusable mug.
That would be wonderful for our green planet Earth.
I am enjoying the quiet music in the background.
I chose this jazz playlist to create a calm.
It matches the rain starting to fall outside now.
Oh, I didn't notice the rain on the glass.
I am lucky I am not walking right today.
Staying inside was the smartest move you could make.
Sometimes fate helps us choose the better option today.
A warm cafe is the best refuge from rain.
I feel very cozy in my big green sweater.
Enjoy the rest of your latte in peace, Sophie.
I have finished half of my delicious warm latte.
Would you like a small cinnamon cookie with it?
That sounds like a very tempting and sweet idea.
It is on the house for our new guest.
You are far too kind to me this morning.
A little treat makes a rainy day much brighter.
The cookie is crunchy and smells like winter holidays.
We bake them in the small oven every morning.
I can taste the butter and the fresh cinnamon.
It is a classic pairing with any coffee drink.
I am thinking about my busy day at office.
Does your work involve a lot of difficult tasks?
I am a graphic designer and have a deadline.
Creativity requires a lot of focus and mental energy.
This break is exactly what my brain really needed.
Sometimes the best ideas come when we are resting.
I actually just thought of a new color scheme.
See? The coffee's already working its special magic.
I should always come here before starting a project.
You are welcome to use our table for work.
I might bring my laptop here tomorrow morning then.
We have fast internet and plenty of power outlets.
That is a very important detail for a freelancer.
I will make sure your favorite table is free.
I love the corner one with the soft light.
I will put a small reserved sign there tomorrow.
You are making my work life much easier, Mark.
A good barista supports the local creative community always.
The rain is stopping and the sun is coming.
The world looks fresh and clean after the shower.
My cup is empty and my heart is full.
You look much more awake than when you entered.
I feel ready to conquer all my design tasks.
That is the power of a good morning latte.
I will leave the ceramic cup on the counter.
Thank you. I will wash it for next guest.
I am so glad I didn't choose to go.
The ceramic cup made a big difference, didn't it?
It made me feel at home for a moment.
That is the goal of our little coffee shop.
How much do I owe you for the latte?
It is $5.50 for today.
Here is $6. Please keep the small change.
Thank you very much for your kindness and tip.
You deserve it for the beautiful latte heart art.
I will keep practicing to make it even better.
I don't think it can get much better, honestly.
There's always room for a little more perfection.
I have to go to my meeting very soon.
Have a very productive and successful day at work.
I will see you tomorrow at the same time.
I will have the oat milk ready for you.
And don't forget the cinnamon cookies in the oven.
I will save a special one just for you.
Goodbye, Mark, and thanks for the wonderful morning start.
Goodbye, Sophie. Walk safely on the wet city streets.
I will enjoy the fresh air on my way.
See you tomorrow for another For Here coffee cup.
Definitely. Sitting here was the highlight of my day.
A happy customer is the best reward for me.